How to fix message failed to send on Android. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or mobile data network. Then or turn on the aeroplane mode for 10 to 20 seconds. Then after turn it off. Now go to the settings and here search for time and date. Make sure to toggle on all these options and enable it to automatic. Then after go back and then scroll down to apps. Tap on manage apps. Here search for message. So search for message and here you have to allow all the app permissions one by one. After doing that, tap on clear data, tap on clear cache, tap on OK and then go back. After doing so, restart your mobile phone and it will help you out to fix your problem. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.